Flu cases are on the rise in Texas, and so are the number of flu deaths. Travis County's health department today confirmed its latest death, raising the total so far to 6 people this flu season. It's worse in other parts of Texas. Health officials in Dallas and Denton counties confirmed 19 flu deaths, and the flu vaccine is now in high demand across Texas. And while many are coming down with the flu, others are getting sick with things that aren't necessarily the flu virus. Several local hospitals are flooded with sick people, afraid they need to go to the emergency room. But as KXAN's Lindsey Bramson found out, going to the hospital isn't always the fastest way to be seen.
Local pharmacies continue to stay busy as people, both children and adults, continue to get sick. While the flu is the worst it's been in 4 years, it's not just the flu causing medicine to fly off the shelves. 8-year-old Graham has strep throat for the second time in a month.
He was sick a couple of weeks ago, and we're on antibiotics, and apparently it didn't take, so we're back.
For Graham, shake well, you don't have to refrigerate.
His mother took him to the doctor after she realized he had a slight fever, runny nose, and a sore throat, afraid it may have been the flu. But others who are afraid are rushing to local hospitals.
If we're starting to see the body kind of shutting down in response to this, then I would want to see that patient for sure.
Doctors at UMC Brackenridge say they saw a huge spike in the number of people coming in around Christmas. And just last week, they saw nearly 2,000 patients. Of those, 213 tested positive for the flu.
If you think you have the flu, make an appointment to get in with your primary doctor as soon as possible. Remember, you don't always have to come here to the hospital. In fact, doctors say it can actually take longer for you to be seen.
Folks don't always understand that we take the sickest ones first. We don't take people in the order that they arrive. If they're equally sick, we take the one who got here first. But if one is sicker than the other one, the sicker one always comes back first and the others wait.
Sometimes causing you to actually wait longer. Lindsey Bramson, KXAN News.
Well, the number of flu cases is going up all over the country. The number of states reporting widespread flu rose last week from 10 states to 25. Doctors worry cases could go even higher now that people are back at school and at work after the winter break. But so far, this is not as severe as the flu pandemic that hit the country and Texas back in 2009. Here's a closer look now. Back then, Dell Children's Medical Center set up tents like these to help handle the surge of patients with flu symptoms. Doctors screened patients in one tent and treated those with less severe illnesses in the others. 241 people died in Texas from the flu that season alone. 60 of them were children. Child flu deaths dropped to 12 in the following flu season in Texas. 4 children died in the next flu season. Health researchers classified that season as mild. Now, last year, the number dropped to 1 child death from the flu, and so far this year, the state confirms 2 children have died from the flu.